Sasikal students, let's learn laws of logarithm. Some basic laws on which we can do and understand logarithm better. First is product law. What is product law? Log of any number whose factors are m into 1 to the base a, and the base should be non-zero, should not be equal to 0, is equal to log of m to the same base plus log of n to the same base. We can state this law, students, in this way, that log of any number, obviously m into n is a number, log of any number to some non-zero base is equal to sum of logarithm of its factors to the same base. So can we check it? Let's check. Let's do log of 100 to the base 10. Now by formula we know that log of 100 to the base 10, it can be written as log of 10 into 10 to the base 10, and that will be equal to log of sum of log of its factors to the same base. That means it will be log of 10 to the base 10 plus log of 10 again to the base 10. Now students, you know by intuition what is log of 100 to the base 10? We have done yesterday. Log of 100 to the base 10,
2.
And log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This formula is correct. Similarly, this formula can be extended to students. Log of m into n into p to some base, non-zero base a, would be equal to log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a plus log of p to the base a. You could verify this law also. This is product law. Now students, we learn what is known as quotient law. How do we divide? Quotient law. Here again we take the base as non-zero. Why? We know very well that anything when we raise the power of anything that is 0, that's equal to 1, or 0 to the power of anything is also equal to 0. So these two things, we will never make the base 0. What is quotient law? Quotient law says log of some number, some fraction rather, m by n to some non-zero base a would be equal to the division of, the subtraction of log of its numerator and log of its denominator to the same base. So this will be equal to log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. Shall we check it? We must. Let's check this by log of, let's say we take 100 divided by 10. So here I'm taking m as 100, n as 10 to the base 10. So by the formula, it should be equal to, students, log of 100 to the base 10 minus, please tell me students, it should be log of, tell me students,
10 raised to the power 10
to the base 10. Now this is actually left hand side is log of 10 to the base 10. And this is equal to, we can write, we know that log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to, students, log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to,
2.
2.
and log of 10 to the base 10 is
1.
1.
very good. Now left hand side, what is log of 10 to the base 10? Is 1 is equal to 1.
1.
Beautiful. So this is also correct. Beautiful. Now guys, I go further. I talk about third law that is known as power law. So what's power law? See students, if I do log of n to the power n at the base a, to the base a would be equal to n will come in the front. N times means I'm multiplying n with log of m to the base a. Now guys, shall we check it? Yeah, we're going to check this also. So let's say we take log of 10 power 3 to the base 10. Now, as per the formula, here m is 10, n is 3, and a, my base, which should always be non-zero. And I have taken base as 10. Sufficiently right. So it should be equal to t should come in the front, 3 should come in the front, 3 times or 3 into log of 10 to the base 10. So see students, now I know log of 10 is to power 3 is actually 1000. So what is log of 1000 to the base 10 students?
3.
Correct.
3.
I know intuitively that left side is 3. And what about right side? 3 into 1 is also
3 into
3. All right. So my power law is also proven. So I've learned 3 laws. Apart from that, students, just see that. Power law, I'm just writing the corollary for power law. So, you know, m nth root by definition, m nth root of m is equal to, students tell me, m to the power, this is equal to
1
m to
over
the power
n.
1 over n. Beautiful. That's why, that's how we say that x square, x root is equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. Well, 1 by 2. You might wonder, why don't we write 2? Why? Because, you know, this is understood. This is, you know, acceptable that, you know, if nothing is written, it should be 2. Otherwise, all other numbers are written, cubed root, fourth root, fifth root, all right. So now, students, I'll take what? Log on both sides. So I'll take log to the base a. To the base a, I'll take nth root of m. I'll take log of right side also. It will be m to the power 1 by n. Very right. So this is equal to, now this power will come to the front, 1 by n log m to the base a. When you take log on both sides, students, don't forget, you have to take log to the same base. Some people say to the same base, some people say at the same base, one and same thing. So this is like a very, very important thing. It comes 1 by n log m to the base a. So like this difficult things become rather easy, you know, for us to work upon. All right, we'll discuss this in detail. How, you know, it really helps us. It's having the answer of one student who asked, what's the meaning of logarithm, how the calculations become simple. So we'll understand gradually. Now, before that, 3 very important things. Students, number 1, now, what is common log? Common logarithm. Logarithm. Students, log, whenever we take the base 10, is referred to as common logarithm. Remember that. Now, number 2, if the base is not given, let's say it's written log of x. So it's assumed that the base is what, students? What's the base?
10.
10.
10.
Suppose it's written log of 8. Somebody says find out log of 8. So you will automatically understand that the base is 10. Somebody says find log of 10. Without mentioning what is base, you will always take base as 10. Obviously, it will be equal to 1. This is second thing. Number third point to ponder is, you see, students, it's like, I think you already know this, log of 1 to the base 10. Anyone knows what is this? Log of 1
0.
to 10 is equal to?
0.
Perfect. Log of, now instead of 1, I multiply by 10. 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1.
1.
Now I again multiplied by 10. Log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to
2.
Similarly, students, log of